Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is top-down design in computer programming. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is top-down design? Breaking down the task to be accomplished into a few subtasks, decompose each of these subtasks into smaller subtasks, and so forth, sometimes called stepwise refinement. In C++, these subtasks subparts are called functions. So that is a short definition of a top-down design in computer programming. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.